Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, no internet secured problem in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Open Connected Network. Click Properties. Uncheck Client for Microsoft Networks. Uncheck File and Printer Sharing for Microsoft Networks. Uncheck QoS Packet Scheduler. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. Click OK. Click Close. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Find adapter name. Right-click Adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.